Well, hello, broskies and sisters. Welcome back to our reaction channel. And if you're just seeing the channel for the first time, let me officially welcome you to our channel. Over here, we react to compiled videos from TikTok, like compiled funny videos from TikTok. So basically, what we do here, we just laugh and we have a good time. So if you want to be part of the gang, please subscribe and hit the notification button so you get notified whenever we drop a new video on here. We upload videos we upload videos every day, so make sure to always come back and check out some more videos. So we previously reacted to some funny TikTok compilation from the USA. So right now we're going to go back to Nigeria, and later we're going to check out some other compiled videos from other regions. And I hope you enjoyed this one. And without further ado, let's go straight into the video, man.
How are you? Stupid boy. Is this not Eze's house?
Lakaka.
Almost at roofing level. I never build house. Eze won't build house. We shall see. Hey! Is that not your conquest son? Because you have a car, I will let you know that the sweetest and the most bitter meat is under the two legs of a woman.
Lakaka.
Hey!
Jesus.
Is that not Chiemeze? So
Wait, first of all, I don't want to just bypass what he said. He just said the sweetest and the most bitter meat is in between the legs of a woman. I have no idea what that means, but I'm trying to think about what he meant by that. That's slick. That is so slick, bruh. And he almost died.
because you traded your gift card and Bitcoin with OX funds and they credited you very fast, you rush go buy motor. I will let you know that the venom of a snake is equivalent to the crediting speed of OS funds. We shall see. Everybody don't go buy motor for the community.
You for wait now. As you say you won't kill the youth for the community, so wicked chief, I will break your leg. Bastard.
That I know me say I no go see kill you.
Jesus.
When a parrot starts talking too much, the end of it is destruction.
What the what is going on with this guy?
Alright, so truth or dare?
There.
Dare?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, your dare is I dare you to call your boyfriend and tell him you have an HIV.
Hey!
What?
What?
You think you can do it?
Yeah, why not?
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Alright, now dial the number, let's see.
Oh my god.
Oh my God!
So loudspeaker.
Okay.
This is about to be wicked.
Hello?
Hey babes.
Babe, what's up now?
I'm fine.
I'm good. How are you?
I'm okay. Babe, I have something to tell you.
What's that?
Hope you won't get mad.
It depends on what you're about to tell me.
I have HIV.
Wait. Which one be HIV? Which kind is your name with that one?
Are you playing?
Which one be HIV? Wait. Just repeat that to me.
Baby, calm down now. Calm down.
No problem.
Which one be calm down for top HIV matter?
Hey!
You don't even talk at beginning. And everything. Who don't even start anything.
Baby, wait, I don't like that.
So, that's why you been. Now why did they tell me more go rapping? Now why tell me more go rock?
No, it's not like that, babe. I don't
Which
know.
one is not like that?
I just found out.
You just found out.
Yes. I'm sorry.
So that means you've been seeing someone else now.
No.
Even me self, I get HIV too. Won't tell you sense. I just say say now.
Nah. I think bro is joking. Bro has to be nah, bro they whine. No way, bro. What a plot twist.
So before you give it to me, I give it to you.
Jesus is Lord.
Jesus. I was just pranking you now. Jesus. Jesus.
Wait,
Hey, yo, bruh. I would have lost my, I would have lost my, I would have lost my mind, bro. Lost my six senses, lost everything. Like, whew, damn, whew, that was, that was crazy. That was wild. What?
Fly you around the world, Maldives, Santorini. Why you find Versace? I love you, you're my G. Even if now I'm granted, I go still love you, my one day. Follow bomba to bomba, I go be your defender. When I lose my breath, baby.
Now the song is too much. Now they might flagging for copyrights. The song is too much, my guy.
Would you be my Iena? You know, say you a very fine girl. You. Hi.
Thank you.
You go give me your number, make I dey call you once, Nabi.
No. I can't give my number to a stranger.
But you let a stranger carry you.
Yes, I don't. Sorry.
On his
So
back.
me self can carry stranger for.
Okay. I'll give you.
I'm gonna call the number.
070
070 231 945.
Smart guy, that's smart.
You
Very
give me a
smart.
number when no exist. I didn't hear you.
081
081
254
254
396
396
02.
02. Let me they call you. When we come up from the water, 7. I'm gonna write water boy.
What's up, boys?
Clap for Jesus.
A win is a win.
Even if
A win is a win, bro. A win is a win. A win is a win all day, every day.
You said you were going to call me in 30 minutes. It's over an hour now, and you've still not called me.
Damn.
I will still call you now.
Call me now.
Huh?
Call me now.
But yeah, here now. I can't. Let's not. Just sit down. Let's talk.
You said you were going to call me. Call me now!
Okay. Calm down.
No. And she's
Hello?
petty.
Okay.
She's petty as fuck. Her name is Betty, right? And Betty rhymes with petty. She's petty.
Called you now, so.
But I
Talk
like
to
it.
me on the phone and ask me, how am I?
Jesus.
Hello?
Hello. How are you doing?
I'm fine. How are you?
I'm good.
Say you wanted to check up on me.
Sorry.
Yeah, wait.
Hello.
Hello?
What phone is this guy using? What phone is that, bro? Like, I can't remember the last time I saw a phone like this. Bro,
How
what?
are you doing?
I'm fine.
Hope you have eaten.
No, not yet. How about you?
I'm eating bread. I'm good.
Okay.
I just called to check up on you.
Oh
my God.
That's so
cute.
sweet. Thank you so much for calling. That's cute.
Okay.
You
Okay.
don't say bye.
Bye.
Bye bye.
Nah, she's petty. That's petty as fuck, bro. That's girls like this. Like, if you want to go out, they might tie a rope on your waist and tie a rope on their own waist. So because like you can't go out alone. If you have this kind of girlfriend, you're stuck. They clingy AF. Sometimes it's sweet, but sometimes it can be a little like tedious, like tiring and stuff, you know.
Now let's shave it. Only shave it. Yeah. Bye-bye. You type. Sorry. Who they play that song? May disconnect. I got better song I want play. Bye-bye. Me follow the person song.
Guy, disconnect that thing now.
One of my guy, Peace Ray just drop EP. You dey feel am?
On the song Madu, I like him.
I know they get your songs on my playlist. I agree to.
Good afternoon, boss.
Sharon there. I bet now they play a course song for you.
Jesus.
I tell him.
So now you they play a chord song for you. Chama, I agree to you. I don't delete them. You delete our song? Yeah, I quit delete them. Download them. I no get data. Oh, you no get data? Yeah. Ayana, follow me. Maybe we go on a spot for you. Follow you go here. Which one be follow for follow? Bye me follow and talk. Most sent one for you now. Hey! Oh. So you mount? I no mount. I don't mind me commodity for my neck. I no mount. I no man cutlery. I no man home appliances. When they do hard labor as means of survival. Buy me commodity for my neck. Na prank. See camera.
La caca.
Your mind just fly. Hey, Omo, you don't piss somebody. Hey!
She go pack him.
No, I no agree for that one. No be me piss am.
Hey, yo, I'm killing somebody, bro. If that was a prank, I'm killing somebody. What the hell was that, bro? Damn. That was funny, bro.
Guy, the thing they come out. The thing they come out.
You dey come out.
You know they come out too.
You know they come out.
You know they come out. What you na run for face? You just say no they come out. You just say no they come out.
Hey, yo, that's crazy, bro. That's mad. Really? You can't pull a chair out, man. Watch. How to be a gentleman. What? That guy's content is so crazy, like crazy.
How are you? Imela onyezemai. Imela, pause that game. Imela chineke. Onye, drop the pad. Onye keruba. Imela. It's holy water from church. It's our holy water from church. Open your hands. Imela chineke. Open your mouth.
God have mercy upon us.
If you're not African, you will not understand this. I mean, probably maybe African Americans can also relate, but if you're not from that typical African home, you will not understand what this is right there. So this is like a water, right? In a bottle, obviously, and you're gonna give it to like your pastor, your priest, and he prays on it, and it turns to like holy water. And with this water, you can chase away every evil spirit, every whatever bad energy and everything. So I remember like back then we would drink this, we would shower with this. But back then it had a lot to do with your faith. If you believed in it, if you believed it works, it worked for you. But if you didn't believe in it, it's just like a regular thing. Back then I believed in it, but right now, not so. But yeah, I can definitely relate, bro.
Life overflowing in Jesus' name. Imela chineke. Onye keru.
Yeah.
Imela chineke mo.
Oh my day.
Imela onyezema. Open your mouth. Imela chineke. Onye keru.
Oh God. Even the school bag gets it too. Like everyone gets one.
This stone I'm giving you, one, just put inside your school bag. Any power that have risen to stop you on your way to school, let God cancel it in Jesus' name. So when you're going to school on Monday, just put inside your bag. Don't forget, it's a spiritual assignment. Imela onyezemai.
Who is this one now?
You were not informed.
This is salt now to add test to your life.
Jesus.
Imela, open your mouth. Chileke, onye keruwa, nna imela mo. Lord, as I give him, he shall add test to his life in Jesus' name. Open your mouth.
This is too much. This is too much. We didn't use stain, we didn't use
Come and help me and buy
salt. This
something.
is.
Come from there, go and buy me something.
After blessing him, you just spanked him. Relax. What is going on? Hey, yo. Oh no, this is too funny.
Let's go now.
Baby say one chop rice.
What be the meaning of this one? Baby say one shop price. No be house you dey come out from. Why you no shop for house?
Say one chop this rice.
Say one shop this rice. You know, she said the guy dey shop. Which one be say one shop the rice?
Where we dey go? One chop now.
Let's go. Now another man food be that. Let's go. Wetin be your problem?
The baby wants to eat from that guy's food.
Let's go. Let's go.
So that's the hormones. Supposedly that's the hormones. That pregnancy hormones.
Which one be cry now? What's your problem? Now your food.
No, don't cry. Don't cry.
What plans you baby want chop rice now?
But he's so unburdened now. He's so unconcerned.
Just I beg, my wife. Oh, sorry, my pikin dey hungry. I beg, if you just give me small food, I give her money for sure. I beg, no verse.
Your pikin?
Yes, my pikin dey hungry well. I beg.
This rat?
Yes, I beg. No verse. I beg.
I take one spoon.
Take one spoon.
Where the rice now?
Take one spoon.
It's not even there the rice self. Who cook this rice? Take. The rice no sweet. I no fit chop am. Meat no there, nothing there. Take.
Hey, I would be so embarrassed, bro. Like, I would want the ground to open up and swallow me whole. Like, yo, look at his face. He's so mad right now, bro. What can you do?
God will bless you for this favor what you do for me. God will bless you. My pikin don't dey okay. Don't chop. You don't dey fine. Thank you so much. God will bless you.
Tell us say the rice no sweet now. I'm trying to say, gonna tell us God go bless am.
Thank you.
No, understand you.
Yeah. Where they go?
Go tell us say the food no sweet.
What is what kind of an emotional blackmail is this? Oh, I feel sorry for the man, bro. I feel sorry for the dude. I feel sorry for the guy.
I use God beg you. I beg, where could you go? Sorry. No verse. I beg, I know if you talk that one. I know if you talk.
Go tell him, I'm not gonna do anything.
Hey.
Don't do it, bro. No.
Bros.
My pikin say the rice no sweet.
Bros, now you cook the rice.
And my babe.
The rice no sweet, bros. No verse. The rice no sweet. The rice no sweet at all. No verse. I don't tell her now. How would they go?
In bed self no sabi cook.
Nah, that's mad. That's mad, bro. That's mad.
Please excuse me, brethren, my brethren. Good evening, my brethren. I beg, as I'm passing now,
My spirit just minister for me. Say I should come and preach the good news for you people. Because as you stand here, you look like a gathering of unbelievers. You look like, before God and man, when I look like perishable souls. And the Bible says we should not be equally yoked in the yoke of the unbelievers. So I beg, allow me make a preach for una for few minutes. I beg, this heavenly race, una the runner. Una sure say una go fit make this heaven. So make I preach to una small before I go now. Una dey busy. Una think say na me una dey hand over the life though. If na me, wetin I want do with una useless life? Now Almighty God need una soul make He repair am for una. Because the way una dey go so, you are likely to perish. You go perish. I say una life is likely to move into crisis. You as you say, I hope it's not a low show. I hope not be hook up. No be say una dey carry una self for hook up. They do yahoo. Because all those things will lead you to perish. Una go destroy una life. Oh, no problem. Una dey too busy, abi. Una no fit hear the good news. No worry. Una say this Jesus, so una no accept so. Una go perish. You go come back and accept them before God and man. Oh my God. Jesus. Come and accept this Jesus one. Oh my God. Come and accept this Jesus two. God. If to say no, we say una plenty. If you come one on one, I will deal with you. Before God and man, I will deal with you. Oh my God. Okay. No problem. No problem. I go come back for una. This Jesus you go accept.
Why not come now?
Oh, okay, I go. Oh, wait. Yes, I said when I go perish. You go perish. I go destroy una life.
You go destroy your life. Get out.
Have you ever seen a preacher with a stick, a cane? Are you a teacher? Like, what do you need that for? Like, I've never seen a preacher with a cane, bro. Like, what you doing with that? Hey, and what's actually crazy and funny, there are like some aggressive ministers in Nigeria, like this. They might not be exactly like this, but they are like very, very aggressive, and for them it's a must. Like they go extra mile, extra length, just to make sure you are they convert you and you become a Christian. I, I don't know why they do that, bro. Like, hey, this guy, they will beat him one day. They should beat his ass. Oh yeah, that's the last one, man. Hey, that's the last one. Now I like this one. This one was definitely funny. Y'all should share this one for real, for real. This is one of the best ones we've ever made. Like one I've ever reacted to. I like this one. This one was quite funny. I hope y'all enjoyed this one too. Like I enjoyed this one, man. And yeah, that's the end of the video, man. I hope to see you on the other one. And just before we say bye, do not forget to subscribe to the channel. We are on our way to 500 subscribers. We're currently at 451. We got one more yesterday. Thank you to whoever that person is. thank you to all 451 of you guys. I really appreciate the subs. Let's keep growing for sure. And I will see you guys on the other on the other video. Make sure you come back and check. There should be a video here or here somewhere. Click on it, and yeah, we gonna we post videos every day, like I said. So enjoy, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye for now. On God.